We have a question from Carla that asks, does it really take 15 months to replace an I-94? You know, I don't typically replace I-94, it doesn't pop up too much, but it could take a long time. Depending on how you want to use it, potentially an I-94 is a record of entry into the United States, and when you apply for certain things like changing status or adjustment of status, you need to have that I-94. There are alternatives to proving lawful entry, but if you need that I-94, you have to follow a specific form, pay a fee for it. I haven't checked the processing times for it. You say it's 15 months, but you could file it with the applications and they'll put it together, but you really got to back it up to see whether you even need the I-94. Maybe you could use an entry stamp, flight records, all this different kind of stuff can be used depending on what you're trying to use it for. So it's something you need to talk with the attorney in private about to see what's going on with that. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.